Want to make money online with as little effort as possible? The truth is, there are easier ways than you think if you use the right systems and AI tools. Start with YouTube automation. This is one of the simplest models because you don't have to be on camera. You can use AI to write your scripts, generate a realistic voiceover, and even edit your videos. Tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Descript can handle a lot of the work for you. But here's what most people won't tell you. Don't spend thousands on editors or agencies when you're just starting. Learn the basics yourself first. Use free tools like Canva for thumbnails, CapCut for editing, and free text-to-speech tools. Your first goal is to test content ideas and see what actually gets views. Once you know what works, reinvest into better production or hire help. Another overlooked tip is to start earning before you are monetized. Everyone waits for YouTube ads, but you can add affiliate links in your video descriptions from day one. Recommend tools or products you already use. Even a small channel can make its first few $100s this way. Don't rely on one source of income. YouTube ads can fluctuate, so add other income streams early. Create digital products, write a simple ebook, or offer an online course once you know what your audience wants. These usually bring in far more money than ads alone. Building an audience is the most valuable part of the process. You don't just want views, you want a loyal community. Reply to comments, ask viewers what topics they want next, and create content based on their feedback. The more trust you build, the easier it becomes to sell products, get sponsorships, and grow. Consistency matters. Post 2 or 3 high-quality videos per week instead of daily low-effort uploads. Each video you make is an asset that can keep earning you money for months or even years. Treat this like a business from day one. Track your click-through rate, watch time, and audience retention. These are the metrics YouTube uses to decide which videos to recommend. When you improve these numbers, your channel grows faster. Keep learning. AI tools and online strategies are always evolving. The people who keep testing and adapting are the ones who turn this into a full-time income. Making money online doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, use AI to save time, build an engaged audience, diversify your income, and reinvest in growth.